Our campus is more than a collection of buildings. It holds our heart and our soul. It's a conduit for where our students learn, discover and overcome. It's a place that ushers in our future while honouring our legacy. The BBC Master Plan Campus Vision is transformational not just for the capacity it provides, but for the potential it has to offer everyone in our community. This is a once-in-a-generation opportunity to continue what we've been building since 1902.
As a parent, old collegian and chair of the School Advisory Council, I fully appreciate the different perspectives within the school community. When we embarked on this journey towards a new Master Plan Campus Vision, we knew that it needed to be reflective of the wide breadth of voices within our community, and it needed to continue the strong legacy that we've all benefited from. So we tasked the award-winning architects at Hayball to do exactly that.
When Andre, Don and the board engaged Hayball to conceive the Master Plan Campus Vision, we knew we needed to understand the DNA of BBC. For the past 120 years, BBC has provided a nurturing and supportive education environment where every boy thrives in their God-given talents. Rich and proud academic, cultural and sporting traditions are embodied throughout the college and are evoked through unique images such as bowler hats, the pipe band and the colours green, white and black. With this in mind, we facilitated a series of deep listening workshops across the wider school community. Consultation included representatives from the executive team, advisory council, students, staff, parents, old collegians, traditional owners and specialist consultancies. This engagement helped to identify issues, priorities and opportunities for us to build into the functionality of the Master Plan Campus Vision and continued evolution of the campus.
When I was asked about the future of BBC, I went home and built the campus in Minecraft to see what it could be.
The input from our students was truly special. They were also excited and curious for what the future could bring. And I loved hearing some of their innovative ways they wanted to create a modern and high-tech learning environment. One of the boys even built his ideas in Minecraft and showed me his designs. It's passion like this that really helps expand our vision for building a transformative learning environment for generations to come.
Once we began synthesising the ideas we received, we noticed trends that we could embrace in various projects. Irrespective of scale, each project has a value proposition that would justify the cost and commitment of implementing, and they are prioritised to make sure they have long-lasting benefit to every boy. Critically, projects are deliverable, and they are being implemented with continued consultation as epitomised by the current prototype project.
My experience has shown that the best long-term outcomes are achieved using in-situ research. That is why one key part of the Master Plan Campus Vision is the prototype learning environment that we are using to gather feedback from staff and students on how they use the space before we move forward with a larger rollout. This allows flexibility so that we can adapt to the needs of our community and future-proof our investment.
Since my time here as headmaster at BBC, there's been one thing that continues to amaze me, and that's the brotherhood and the bond of our boys across year levels. Therefore, a key consideration of our Master Plan Campus Vision design was to facilitate increased connectedness throughout the campus.
The steep terrain on site provided the biggest challenge for our team when thinking about movement and connection of students across the campus. An assessment of the topography allowed us to identify a spine that runs from the top of Goldicock Hill down to the creek and provides centralised movements of students between buildings. This will not only improve access for the boys across the campus, but will increase the opportunity for interactions across the different age groups whilst enriching existing assets.
As an old boy, the historical influence of our heritage and traditions are of utmost importance as we look towards the future. The smaller renewal projects often have a big cultural impact, so we've carefully considered the way the campus points back to our iconic beginnings. For instance, no matter where you are on the grounds, you'll be able to look up and see the clock tower. This really helps connect the school and allows the historical buildings to breathe and be respected.
Honouring our past while looking to the future is what this master plan campus vision is all about. And we know this isn't the headmaster's vision, nor the teacher's vision. This is yours. At every step, we've worked to bring the community on the journey with us in creating this exciting new chapter. And progress is already well underway, with 10 projects completed during the 2024 school year. Of all the changes we've experienced in our world, there's one thing I know that will continue to stand the test of time. Our Gentlemen of Honour being at the forefront of boys' education. I am truly honoured to help lead the charge with this master plan campus vision to ensure that there's more than one way to thrive at BBC. This is our future, and it's built for boys.